Okay, so Melissa and I are about to do a little tent competition.
Now we can see it clear.
Oh, the kids are playing.
The kids are out playing. Say hi!
Melissa, I can't just see you set up the tent.
Alright, so Melissa, right here. So see where this line is?
Uh-huh.
You can't go any further than this way. It's gotta be from here, that way.
Okay.
She's ready to eat. Alright, excuse me while I go. There's my beautiful child.
Okay, so Melissa and I are about to do a little tent competition. We're gonna try to time lapse this video. So Melissa, what did you just buy?
I bought a $50 12-person instant cabin tent.
Has this tent ever been opened before?
It has not.
Oh, this right here says it's an instant tent. You should be able to unpack it, unfold it, and extend it in 2 minutes. It's got a 2-minute stand-up. And this is an Ozark Trail 12-person instant cabin tent. Melissa got it for $50. It was on sale at Walmart. Has not been opened before. And we'll see how she does, all right? Oh, I should not be lifting this.
Why are you lifting it? Make Melissa get it.
It's all right. How come she gets a wheel bag and I don't? All right, I got it. All right, guys, so I am going to vlog and time-lapse me assembling a Members Mark 10-person instant cabin tent. Now, we got this from Sam's Club. We paid $160 for it, so over $100 more than Melissa's. But this one is supposed to be a instant 60-second tent. Now, we'll see if this 60-second will be able to beat Melissa's 120-second video, or her assembling of the tent. Both these tents right here have not been opened. This one is still in its box. It's the Members Mark Sam's Club 2-room tent.
All right, so we decided it just isn't fair that a man gets to build a 60-second tent and Melissa gets stuck building a 120-second tent. So we're gonna add in one helper, me, to cut that time in half. So team Cassie and Melissa, we're gonna kick butt, we're gonna build this tent, we're gonna do it faster than AJ.
Oh yeah.
Maybe. So let's enjoy the time lapse.